Keep your family out of court and out of conflict. That's what I do. My name is Travis Charles Smith. I'm a personal family lawyer. I'm your personal family lawyer. I'm who you can call and who your family can lean on when you need to. Think about those old black and white movies where the doctor comes to the house and goes upstairs and there's someone in bed. That's what I do. And it's like, who's that guy? He's the family's doctor. Okay, well, I'm your personal family lawyer. I spent the first 10 years of my career knee deep in conflict, being confrontational and aggressive and putting people on the stands. And I know how to do all that, and you don't want to do it, and your family doesn't want to do that. And what I want to do is make sure you don't ever have to do that. The first thing we need to do is we need to have plans in place for in case you go to the hospital or you die, or in case your spouse goes to the hospital or your spouse dies. Okay, we don't want your spouse having to go to court just to handle the family business. And I mean just the family business, the house, your bank accounts, things like that, medical decisions. Okay, next, your business, your rental properties. We want to have plans in place to keep you guys from having to go to court in case something happens. And in your business, especially if you have partners, we need to have succession plans in place in case your partner dies, goes to the hospital, gets divorced, gets sued, has to declare bankruptcy, has creditors, in case you get sued, in case you get threatened by creditors with involuntary bankruptcy or whatever. And by having plans in place, you then have this comfort and freedom to go do your business, live your life, and you know that things are going to be handled. I'm reaching out, and I'm making it my campaign this year for everyone that I know. I really want to make sure that I help you get plans in place. I want estate plans in place, and I want business plans in place. If you've got an LLC, let's go update that operating agreement. If you don't have an operating agreement, let's get one in place. And let's do that with your businesses and all of your assets, all of your rental properties. If you know me, reach out to me. And if you don't know me yet, reach out to me. But I want to help all of my friends, my neighbors, my family. This is my mission this year. Let's tidy everything up, okay? I have, since I transitioned from full-time litigator to business lawyer, personal family lawyer, the kind of lawyer that keeps you out of court and helps you do stuff, I have seen mess after mess after mess of crazy stuff happen to my clients because they didn't have anything in place. So I've had cases walk in the door where spouses are locked out of bank accounts and they have to go to court, where they can't take care of their kids, they can't take care of their families. I've seen horror story after horror story. I've seen a woman who built a business for 10 years, then her husband died, and then she realized that his children from prior marriages had a claim to the business, and she had to go to court and settle up with them to keep them from coming in, barging in and taking over. We don't want that stuff happening. All of us have these leaks, and I want to come in and I want to fill in all the gaps and help you seal all that stuff. It's not expensive, it's not hard, it's not difficult, but I want to be that lawyer for you that can keep the ship running, that can keep someone steering it, and that can keep the drip coming, keep the cash flow coming, keep business as usual, keep your family's life moving on. I want to help you with that. I want you to flag me down if you see me, reach out to me, send me a message, call me 405-607-7799. Or if you want to learn more, just hit me up or send me a message, watch my YouTube videos, or ask me questions. I'd love to explain this stuff. But the traditional model with how lawyers work with regards to this is so broken. It's so focused on, and it's only gotten worse with technology and the ease of documents. it's historically been so focused on, hey, what do you charge for this document? Hey, can I have a power of attorney? And it's so not focused on having just a total comprehensive plan, having an ability to update the plan, making the attorney available to you so that you feel comfortable reaching out and saying, hey, you mind looking at this? I don't charge by the hour for this kind of stuff. I want you to call me. If we do a plan with you, we need to update it. We will update it. I will reach out to you. But if we haven't worked together, hit me up and say, hey, would you mind taking a look at something? Do you mind reviewing? Does it need to be changed? And I'm going to tell you why. Nothing is static and nothing ever stays the same. Your assets are going to change. Your family, it changes. The law changes all the time. So you don't want to think of this as a transaction, a one-time transaction. Hey, I bought some documents. I can throw them in the closet and I don't need to do anything. No. We want to have a plan in place, and then we want to review it annually or at least every 3 years. Anybody who's a client of mine, I review it for free every 3 years. You want to constantly review it. And you want to feel comfortable enough working with me that you can reach out and ask me questions and ask me, do I need to update this? Hey, this happened. I sold this. I bought that. But that's what we want to do. If you haven't met me before, I'd love to meet you. My name is Travis Charles Smith. I want to be your personal family lawyer. I want to be your personal business lawyer. I'm hungry for your business. I'm willing to earn it. And the most important thing is I want to see that you don't go through some crazy, stressful event that could have been prevented just by having the right plans in place, just by having the right information. So give me a call, shoot me an email, respond to this video. I'd love to connect with you.